guys, welcome back to our channel. So, quick dine-in tayo dito sa Bliss Pastries or Bliss Cebu Cafe. Located ito sa Dumlog Food Park. So, tara, kain tayo guys. So, andito na tayo ngayon sa Dumlog Food Park. So, try natin itong Bliss Cafe. So, ito yung cafe nila guys. So, pagpasok nyo lang ng Dumlog Food Park, kita nyo na agad itong Bliss Cafe. Yan. So, available din sila sa Grab Food. So, andito yung entrance nila. Yan. Tara, pasok tayo guys. Check. Ito yung mga food nila guys. Yan. Check. May macaron. Yung kitchen nila guys. Then may CR sila dito na side. Yan. So Pasko na Pasko dito guys. So, ito. Ganda yung ano nila guys. Aesthetic naman yung cafe nila yan. So, andito na si Mami Mabel at Natnat. So, tara, order muna tayo, guys. Ito yung menu nila. So, yan, may starter, sandwiches. Yan yung price. Post nyo lang. Yan, may silog din sila dito. At main course. So, meron din silang pizza. Yan. Post nyo lang para makita yung price. Pasta, cookies, and desserts. Then, dito guys, meron silang pastries yan. Cakes. Yan yung price range nila. Then, dito. Breads and pastries din yan. Then, dito ulit. Coffee. Yan. Prices guys. Blended. Ice blended. Other beverages. At may matcha series din sila. Yan. So, yan lang yung ano nila guys. Menu. So, balikan ko kayo pag nandito na yung order namin. So guys, ito na yung order namin. Dalawang French fries. So, cheese. Then, sour cream. Then, ito, tuna sandwich. Then, ice choco. Then, kay Mami, cafe americano na hot. Yan. Guys, tara, tikman natin guys. So, una yung ice choco. Ito.
It's hot.
Yan.
It's hot. Later. Breakfast daw.
Lasa yung choco guys. Next. Sour cream na French fries. Yan. Kita ba? Yan. Sarap din ng French fries. Kaya naman natin yung tuna sandwich. Ito. Tuna sandwich. Kita ba? Yan. Try natin guys. Sarap din. Sarap din ang tuna nila. Guys, food and place review naman tayo. So, good naman yung food nila. Masarap. And ambience at service is good. So, yan lang muna guys.